This tutorial will show you how to export only the audio in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you want to export only the audio, and you have Capcut PC open up and loaded, there's a couple different ways to do this. Number 1, click, select, and highlight your video clip. Right click and click extract audio, so you only have the audio clip or piece. Or if you want, click Ctrl Z to undo. Go to the top right hand of the screen and click export. Now this is the cool part, because if you have the video checked and the audio checked, you can choose to export only the audio by unchecking the video and unchecking export GIF. In this case, as you can see, Capcut PC will only export the audio, and if you click the drop down arrow, you can change the format. In this case, we'll keep it MP3 and click export.